magical kingdom far, far away, there lived a little princess named Barbie. She was not just any princess, she was the most kind-hearted and adventurous girl in the entire kingdom. With her sparkling blue eyes and flowing golden hair, she brought joy to everyone around her. But what made her truly special was her curiosity and the love for exploring new places. She dreamed of flying high in the sky, touching the clouds, and seeing the world from above. One bright morning, Barbie woke up feeling extra excited. It was her birthday, and the entire kingdom had planned a big celebration. The castle was decorated with colorful ribbons, balloons, and glittering lights. But Barbie had only one wish that day, to go on a magical adventure like never before. As she stepped out into the garden, Barbie noticed something extraordinary. Right in the middle of the garden was a gigantic, sparkling hot air balloon. It was the most beautiful balloon she had ever seen, with vibrant colors of pink, purple, blue, and gold. It was adorned with twinkling lights that sparkled like stars, and it had a basket large enough to fit a princess. "Happy birthday, Princess Barbie!" cheered her parents, King Orion and Queen Seraphina, as they stepped forward. Barbie's eyes widened with joy. "Is this for me?" she asked, her voice filled with wonder. "Yes, my dear," replied Queen Seraphina with a warm smile. "We know how much you love adventures, so we thought this would be the perfect gift for you." Barbie hugged her parents tightly. "Thank you. This is the best gift ever," she exclaimed. Just as Barbie was admiring her magical balloon, a little squirrel named Nutty, her best animal friend, scampered up to her. Nutty was a clever and mischievous little creature with fluffy fur and a twinkle in his eyes. He loved joining Barbie on all her adventures. "Are we going on a balloon ride, Princess?" Nutty asked, twitching his nose in excitement. "Yes, Nutty. We are going on an adventure up in the sky." Barbie giggled. Before they knew it, Barbie and Nutty climbed into the basket of the balloon. The royal guards helped release the ropes, and the balloon started to rise slowly into the sky. Barbie waved to her parents and the people of the kingdom, who cheered and waved back, wishing her a happy journey. As the balloon floated higher, Barbie and Nutty were amazed by the breathtaking view below. They could see the entire kingdom with its lush green forests, sparkling rivers, and colorful flowers blooming in the gardens. The wind gently blew through Barbie's hair as she looked up at the sky, feeling free and happy. "This is amazing!" Barbie exclaimed. "I feel like I'm flying with the birds." The balloon drifted peacefully among the clouds, and Barbie felt like she was living her dream. Suddenly, Nutty's sharp eyes spotted something unusual in the sky, a cloud shaped like a staircase leading upward. "Look, Barbie!" Nutty pointed excitedly. "A cloud staircase. Do you think it leads somewhere special?" Barbie's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "Let's find out." Guiding the balloon closer, they discovered that the cloud staircase led to a floating island in the sky. The island was covered in soft, fluffy clouds, and it glowed with a magical light. Trees made of cotton candy swayed gently in the breeze, and there were fountains of sparkling juice that flowed like rivers. What is this place? Barbie whispered in awe as she and Nutty stepped off the balloon onto the cloud island. Just then, a friendly figure appeared, a fluffy, magical creature named Fluffo. Fluffo was a guardian of the cloud island, with big, fluffy wings and a gentle, smiling face. He was the keeper of all the magical secrets hidden in the sky. Welcome to the Cloud Kingdom, Fluffo greeted with a bow. I am Fluffo, the guardian of this magical place. No one from the ground has visited us in many years. Barbie smiled brightly. I'm Princess Barbie, and this is my friend Nutty. We came here on my magical balloon. This place is so beautiful. Fluffo nodded. It is indeed a land of wonders, but we need your help, Princess. Our kingdom has lost its glow because the great cloud gem, which keeps everything bright and cheerful, has gone missing. Barbie's heart filled with determination. She loved helping others, and she couldn't bear to see the Cloud Kingdom lose its magic. Don't worry, Fluffo. We'll help you find the great cloud gem, Barbie declared. Fluffo guided Barbie and Nutty to a sparkling path that led them deeper into the island. Along the way, they saw enchanted flowers that hummed sweet melodies and floating fish that swam through the air. But as they journeyed further, the path became darker, and the cheerful light of the Cloud Kingdom began to fade. It's getting gloomy, Nutty whispered, feeling a little scared. We must be brave, Barbie encouraged. The cloud gem must be close. Finally, they reached a tall, glittering tower made of crystal clouds. It was guarded by a giant, puffy creature named Thunder, who looked fierce but also very sleepy. Who dares to enter my tower? Thunder roared, his voice booming like a thunderstorm. Barbie stepped forward, holding her head high. I am Princess Barbie, and we are here to find the great cloud gem. The Cloud Kingdom needs its light back. Thunder yawned, rubbing his eyes. Oh, I didn't mean to scare anyone. I've just been so sleepy lately without the gem's magic. You can try to find it, but the gem is hidden inside this tower, guarded by riddles. Hurry, Princess Barbie! Fluffer urged, flapping his wings. Barbie and Nutty jumped into the balloons basket, and Fluffer used his magic to lift them quickly back into the sky. They flew away just in time as the crystal tower sank into the clouds. As soon as Barbie placed the great cloud gem back into its rightful spot at the heart of the Cloud Kingdom, a burst of brilliant light spread throughout the island. The skies turned bright blue again, the cotton candy trees sparkled, and the floating fish danced joyfully. "Thank you, Princess Barbie," Fluffo said gratefully. "You have restored the magic of our kingdom. We will never forget your kindness." Barbie smiled warmly. "I'm glad I could help. This has been the best adventure ever." With the sun setting in the distance, Barbie and Nutty returned to their magical balloon, ready to fly back home. The Cloud Kingdom waved goodbye, and Fluffo gifted Barbie a magical crystal that glowed softly, a keepsake of their unforgettable journey. As the balloon descended toward the castle, Barbie spotted her parents and the townspeople waiting for her return. They cheered and clapped, celebrating the little princess who had gone on a grand adventure. "That was amazing, Barbie!" Nutty squeaked as they landed safely. "What a birthday to remember!" Barbie hugged Nutty and waved to everyone. "I couldn't have asked for a better adventure or better friends." That night, as the kingdom celebrated under the stars, Barbie knew one thing for sure: no matter where her adventures took her, her courage, kindness, and love for helping others would always guide her. And so, Princess Barbie went to bed with a heart full of joy, dreaming of her next magical journey. The little princess on a balloon had not only flown through the skies, but had also touched the hearts of everyone she met along the way. The end.